Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Apptivo to Google Tasks in 2024. Of course, integrating these two platforms or these two tools can help you manage your tasks more efficiently. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide or tutorial to get you started, of course, with Apptivo with Google Tasks. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and log in into your both accounts. To do so, you'll need to open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave for you. You can use whatever you want. Once you open that, basically, just go to this URL section. Click on it, of course, and go and type apptivo.com. And of course, go and open a new tab and simply open tasks. Or just type Google like tasks. Or task, and yeah, here's it. So tasks.google.com, that's the URL. Of course, if you want to open it, just type tasks.google.com as they say. So will it take us here? So yeah, it's the same thing. So as you can see, make sure, of course, to log in into your both accounts. Normally, if you have a Google account or a Gmail account, of course, you should be logged in already to Google Task. The same normally for before Apptivo. If you have a Google account, you can simply go and log in or create an account using that Google account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. For example, if it's your first time on Apptivo, if you go here and click on login, as you can see, you have a lot of options to log in into an account and even create an account. There's Google, Office, PayPal, Shiro, Apple, whatever you want. And yeah. So, for example, once you logged in, you'll find yourself here. So, to log in into or to connect into your Google Tasks, there's some requirements. Of course, these requirements are not set by me; is set by Apptivo. So, you'll need to have a plan. You'll need to have either the Lite, Premium, or Ultimate plan. Of course, I'll be able to show you exactly how to connect it if you want to. You'll basically just have to go to the user settings and access the business settings. And then, of course, after that, you'll need to select the G Suite integration. But I'll not be able to access the business settings because I don't have a plan. Of course, to upgrade your plan, you'll need to go to your account at the top right corner, click on Manage Your Account, and simply click on Upgrade to upgrade the plan. So it's Lite, Premium, and Ultimate, as you can see. 3 of them will work for you. Whatever you get, you'll be able to get, of course, the business like settings, and you'll have access to the agenda where you can simply just connect your G Suite integration, what you'll be able, of course, to connect with it, the Google task. So of course, if you want to pay yearly, it's going to be the prices. You'll get a discount if you pay yearly. If you pay monthly, as example, it's going to be a little bit more per month. So it's actually up to you. And yeah, so basically, I'll just open an article made by Apptivo. For example, Apptivo with Google like tasks and hit the enter button. Example. So yeah, here's it. Or Google Tasks integration. It's the same. G Suite and Google Tasks as example. So if you scroll down here, as example, so overview, you can see first of all benefits. So first of all, it's free of cost. Cost free with Google account and G Suite. Of course, they don't mean like with Apptivo because Apptivo you'll need a plan. You will see it on the requirement. Just wait. And yeah, other than that, you'll get multiple access points, official Chrome extension, Android integration, and mobile web app that can be used to access the app, and two-way sync. Each task, as an example, can be created either from Apptivo or Google and will be synced automatically between the apps. So with Apptivo Google Task integration, you can also increase productivity by prioritizing and spending less time on organizing associated tasks at projects and share documents easily using Google Drive. So the requirements, you'll need a G Suite account, as example. So just type here G Suite. And as you can see, which is Google Workspace, you'll need to have an account. Of course, if you have any problem in the language, you can simply just scroll down to the bottom, I guess, and yeah, change the language from here. So you can choose English. As example, you'll find normally English here, alone, without country. And you can simply just click on Get Started or simply log in into your account. Make sure to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, go and click on Get Started, example. And yeah, simply just log in into an account. Of course, the personal account wouldn't work. So, as example, for me, as example, they'll tell me to sign in with the administration account. So make sure to do so. And yeah, you should be good to go once you sign in with it. Yeah, of course, once you have your G Suite account, you'll need one of the plans. So Lite or Premium or Ultimate, as we said before. So go and get yourself one. Then you can simply follow this guide on how to sync your Google Tasks with Apptivo. So basically, they'll tell you, of course, in order to have Google Tasks sync properly, you must set up your G Suite with Apptivo. and ensure that you have enabled task sync option from business settings. So you'll need, of course, in your menu to go to business settings. Basically, of course, like the business settings here, you'll find it. But even if you enable it, you'll not be able to connect into it unless you have a plan. So, an example, we'll just follow the guide until we can stop. So, example here, under the business settings, as an example, they'll tell us. So click on business settings, then select G Suits. So G Suits here is this. You'll find this right here. Just go and click on it. As an example, as you can see, requires a plan upgrade. So I cannot just access the business settings just like that. They'll tell me basically to upgrade. Of course, I can just so yeah, I'll not be able to access this. Of course, basically, if you have a plan, as an example, just choose this maybe, click on upgrade. You can simply just enable this calendar sync and enable this task syncs also. Once you enable it, just go back as an example, make sure it's both enabled. Then on your homepage, click create a new task. And then below, of course, you can see created etc. when. And once you log into your business account, you can navigate into task and new folder name Apptivo. You will be creating Google as an example with the synced tasks, as simple as that. And then you can simply create a task in Google and the task will be synced into Apptivo task and you will find it right there. As you can see, as simple as that. Of course, or all the things like presented here on Apptivo. So it's gonna work totally right, especially if you have a plan. So make sure to get a plan before that, and you'll be good to go. As an example, so if you go here and click on upgrade, you'll have to basically choose a plan. So select whatever plan you want. Select if you want to pay yearly or monthly, whatever suits you. Then simply click on upgrade, and once you upgraded, you will find yourself able to access this G Suite integration and enabling these two options. I'll try to remove this stuff as example. So of this one, specifically. But so example here, a inspects example or something like that. But I'm not able to remove it like totally. So even if I do this, I'll not be able to click on it. So yeah, I'll not be able to show you exactly. But as you can see, it's around you. You just have to get a plan, enable it, and you should be good to go. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.